Hello everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Zero and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. Now tap on Settings icon, select Languages and mark Add Keyboard. Select the one that you want to use. Let me choose maybe some language on which the change will be more visible, for example Arabic. And tap on Done. Now you can either stay with both languages or remove one and stay with one language only. Let me remove English, and as you can see from now on, you've got brand new keyboard language. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.